Hi everyone, Catherine Wilkutz here with PIRCH here in Solana Beach, discussing with you Lynx Professional Grills. Lynx is one of the few fully American grill manufacturers where they engineer and build all of their products in Mississippi. Now it's important not to just think of Lynx as a grill manufacturer. They have really done a good job bringing the versatility and the functionality of your indoor kitchen into the outdoor space. So for those entertainers out there, this brand is for you. They make every incremental size of grills that you can imagine, to under-counter refrigeration, wine storage, beer kegerators, cocktail stations, Napoli pizza ovens, you name it, they have it. So today we're going to be diving into this beauty. This is the 42-inch Lynx Professional Series grill. At first glance, my eye is drawn to, again, the beauty of the aesthetic. It's a great brushed stainless steel finish, some really nice chrome accents here around the corners and on our handle. Now when I go ahead and lift this hood up, I immediately feel how light it is. Now it's not because this hood is light. This thing is a double wall, very heavy 304 stainless steel. The purpose of that is when you're cooking on really high temperatures here, to the touch it's still cool or warm. So when I lift this up, what's helping me lift it with such ease is the spring-loaded assist in the hood. For very fragile or arthritic hands, this thing is a breeze to open. Now, once I open up my grill, it is loaded with some awesome features. I have some halogen lighting here, giving me a bright cooking space. My visibility is awesome. Right here, I have a warming tray. If I'm cooking foods and I want to remove it from the direct heat, I can just move my food right here. Or if I don't want to use my warming tray, it's a simple rack placement and removal here. The nice thing about this and other grills that don't have this stowaway tray here, I'd have to pull this out, store it in a drawer, or store it inside my kitchen. I forget where it's at, I forget I even have it. This gives you the ability to be able to use it with ease. I then have a rotisserie, again, unmatched in the industry for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, I have two different placement settings. I have high, which is gonna bring my rotisserie directly close to my infrared burner here. I also have low, which I move it another about 3-4 inches closer on a low setting. In addition to that, you do have high, medium, and low settings on your rotisserie motor. If you're wanting to really slow roast a chicken, you can have it on that slow roast setting, or you can move it up to high if you're doing a pork loin or some sort of red meat. That's great for that. Now jumping into the meat and potatoes of the grill, which is the grates and the burners. When I pull this guy out, oh, you're gonna see how heavy it is. This is solid stainless steel and meant to last the life of the grill. Now below here, I have what Lynx refers to as trident burners. If you have ever watched, I'm sure all of you have, The Little Mermaid, and you have King Trident with his pick, that trident shape is the shape of my burners here. Now these are 69,000 BTU infrared burners, giving you that ability to sear your meats and lock in those juices really well. But what's unmatched with Lynx is that these burners get down to 300 degrees. 800 degrees down to 300 degrees is a huge versatility, and for you to be able to do that in seconds on this grill, it is just unmatched. Now there you have it, guys. This is my 42-inch Lynx Professional Series grill. Once again, the product is hand engineered and built in Mississippi, just a hop, skip, and a jump away from us here in California. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Lynx, please visit us at any of our PIRCH showrooms. We're in LA, Orange County, Palm Springs, and San Diego, or you could also visit us at PIRCH.com.